Yo, what's happening, my charge people? Hope you feel blessed and that. Sorry it's been a while since I put some content up. Yeah, got reasons for that. But yeah, other than that, blurbs tried to kill me again. Madness. Stay tuned, stay charged, hit that subscribe button, and yeah man, let's get going. So here we are in Watford. I praise the Lord. Yeah, that I broke down here. He was looking out for me because I was driving that on the motorway and it's pulling. I was like, yo, man's gonna die. Steering wheel shaking, everything, mad. So yeah, I'm grateful that we're here. And what happened? Let me show you. So I know it's been having this problem, but I didn't know what the problem was. Drive shaft of the CV joint is gone on it, but I couldn't hear that. Normally you got telltale signs where it goes and when you speed up. So I've bought new track rod ends, inner, outer. There it is. Ooh. Jeez! Right, back to her point. There it is. That's the inner track ends, that's the outer track ends. Me thinking, yeah, I'm gonna change that and whatnot, yeah, but it wasn't that. Drive shaft. I rang up Lloyd's. They've got a drive shaft in stock, but I'm pretty sure I've got old drive shafts, so I'd rather change the CV joints on them and put new boots and that on them. We'll see how it goes. Thankfully, they've got the CV joints, so need to get the D blurbs back home, take it apart, and yeah, then we'll assess the situation. Just wait on recovery. Yeah man, madness. Right, thankfully we're home safe. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it the shubba. Right, once that's out, so that just covers that, and then clips in like so. You find a socket, not that one. Right, once you found your socket, which ain't the right bloody size, take that out. Yeah, need to undo that drop link. I've got the drop link out now. All I've got to do is undo the ball joint and then get the drive shaft out of there, and then we'll show you. I've got my little tub thing down here, catch the gearbox fluid. But yeah, I'm going to crack on with that, get that out, and then once we've got the drive shaft out, we'll show you. Are you kidding me? Yo! Man's working on my car and these mans are coming on. What's this? Nah, brethren. Nah. How am I gonna block it in? Nah, brethren, get out of it. Move. Hey, why are you photographing everyone's car? Hit that motherfucking subscribe button. Wait, this man's got the fucking worst job in his life. Yo, mate. Woo! Yo, make this shit go viral. What the fuck is going on? This is a myth. Apparently it's going there. I think they're gonna teeth it and take the cats and take everything. Here's me, minding my own business.
Fixing my car. No.
It's just fixing my car, man. I don't need this. The car nearly killed me today, and now this.
Take the little red one, I beg your pardon. I just presume that they're taking the Mercedes.
There we go. And then, literally, should be able to pull it out right from there. We have one driver shaft, and yeah, you can literally tell that's bluebird. Just gonna let that drain out of there. Yeah, that looks well and truly finitos to me. Feel like I'm being shafted today. You get it? Shafted? Anyways, do you know what? This is actually my first ever CV joint that I'm doing, and I've never done one before. Like, don't get me wrong, I've taken cars apart and stuff, but this one, yeah, it's a bit of a special one because I haven't done it before. Just had to get this circlip off from around here. Yeah, so now this should technically come off, just like so. The other thing we need to do is make sure these splines are lovely, you know. Yeah, that seems good. Pack it up, grease it up, slap it on, and hopefully this one near enough job done. First, we're going to put the rubber dubber on because it's going to be impossible to get on after. My first CV joint. Proud moments. Oh, was that it? I think that was it. Woohoo! Yeah, that was it. Lovely, 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 lovely. You all heard that, right? Right, slip that boot up on there. Yeah. Look at that. What a beauty. My first CV joint. What do you lot think? It's a good job or no? Right, that's it. Pretty much boxed the car up together. I did mess up one bolt though. Where is it? There is. Thankfully, my mate come hook me up with another bolt. Don't know if you can see it in there, but yeah, all boxed up. Now we just gotta have a really good time, put the wheel back on, top it up with gearbox fluid, and let's take it for a joyride and hope it doesn't try killing me again. Right, here's the moment of truth. If we've done a good job, we're just gonna try killing me again. Gearbox fluids in, everything's tightened up. Let's go. Oh, well, that's a good start. Battery's flat. There's a Prius driver right in front of me and he's literally doing 20 miles an hour. Oh, Lamborghini! Woo! And we're joining the dual carriageway. problem. Seems to have definitely sorted out, thankfully. So yeah, wicked. That's a job well done. But yeah, there's still a little bit of a shake, so that needs sorting out. But yeah, I've got new track rod ends and stuff, so probably fit that up, get the geo done again, and yeah, we should be all right.